Alright, good day and welcome to today's tutorial class. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekun, the founder of Michael Tech. Alright, today we'll be considering the machine drawing question projected on the screen, which is a bearing bracket. Alright, we are given a plan and an elevation of a bearing bracket shown. Using first angle projection, we are to draw the sectional front elevation, the given plan, and an end view position on the right of the front elevation. So what does that imply? Is that my front elevation will sit here, my plan will be underneath, and my end view will be on the right hand side here. All right, so the very first thing to actually do right here is I'm going to produce something of this sort, a thin horizontal line like this. Okay, after producing that, I'm going to produce a vertical line to that horizontal line. I'm going to produce a vertical line to that horizontal line using my set square like this vertical line like this. Right, so after doing that, I think okay, yeah, let me adjust the view a little, so better like that, quite better like that. Now I'm going to pick my ruler. Okay, with my ruler, I think first of all we are having 50. I'm going to measure 50 from this towards my left hand side. The mark of 50 measured. So I'm going to measure mark of 7. First of all, vertical plane, mark of 7, which is this. After the mark of 7, I'm going to measure another mark. Okay, from the mark of 7, I'm measuring mark of 35 from the mark of 7, which is this. Mark of 35 vertically, which is this. After mark of 35, I'm measuring mark of 18 also. From the mark of 35, mark of 18, which is this. Okay, with each of those points marked out, I will project them. So I'm projecting the horizontal ones first, like this. Okay, like this, like this. All right, then vertically like this also, all the way down right there. So after doing that, sorry, what am I doing? Am I sleepwalking? My bad. So sorry, I don't actually need this 50 I measured here. This 50 is out of it entirely. Sorry, that's a mix up from my end. That's a very big mix up on my end. I don't need this 50. Okay, what I actually needed there is okay. So from this portion, so the diameter there is diameter 30. That will be radius 15. So with my compass and my ruler, I'm picking radius 15. Radius 15. So from this junction right here, okay, I mark radius 15 right here. Then from that radius 15, I produce a circle. I'm drawing the circle boldly. I'm producing it boldly. Remember, we are drawing sectional front view. Sectional front view AA. That's what we are producing. Sectional front view. Okay. So after drawing my circle right there, the inner circle is diameter 18. That's radius 9. Radius 9. So like this. Radius 9, which is this. So from this mark, I draw the inner circle, which is radius 9. So I'm going to project those mark vertically and horizontally. So this mark vertically like this, this mark vertically like this, the center where we drew everything from like this, and this mark also vertically like this. Now after each of those points have been brought down vertically, have been projected vertically to the bottom, next is all right, so from this area, okay, distance of 6 from this area. Yes, distance of 6 from this middle line. Mark of 6, which is this. On this mark of 6, I'm going to draw it boldly. Here to here, mark of 6. After that, tangentially to this back, I'm drawing tangentially to the back. Okay, now that mark of 6, I'm going to project it vertically downward like this. Okay, like that. So settle. Alright, so after that, so I'm going to project it upward a little also. Somewhere here like this. I need it right there. Okay, so I'm going towards this axis now. Okay, 58. Okay, from the midpoint here towards this axis, I'm having a mark of 58. Then the bigger radius of this load here is 12. So 58 plus 12, that's 60, 70. So from the midpoint here, okay, towards my left hand side is going to be mark of 70. Mark of 70 taken. So let me mark that 58 first. This is the mark of 58 right there. Then those two marks will be projected vertically. Okay, they will be projected vertically like this and like this. All right, so after those points have been projected vertically, so I think this one is good to go like this. Sharp. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me just project it slightly. Let me project this point slightly. Okay, now from this mark right here, so the diameter of the inner one is diameter 10. Okay, diameter 10, radius 8, that's diameter 16. Okay, so from this, I'm going to measure from this area. I'm measuring 5 towards the left, 5 towards the right, 16. I'm measuring 8 towards the left, then 8 towards the right. Now each of these points I mark out just now. I'm going to project them vertically. All right, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, after projecting those points, so when we are doing sectional distance, so okay, yeah, so the total height from here, I'm having height of 13 and 16 from here. So height of 13 and 16 and 13. So I'm going to project those marks horizontally like this and like this. Okay, now after doing that, I can proceed by drawing this like this. Okay, with this coming all the way here like this. Okay, now I'm going to connect this at the top like this. Okay, take note, I'm connecting that at the top. This is coming down like this, 1 and 2, and this one is going all the way like this. Oh okay, all the way like that, and all the way like this, all the way like this. Okay, so then this one is going like this, slightly to this edge like this. Okay, and Okay, before I proceed, let me draw this with my 45-degree set square as displayed above. So tangential to the part, which is this, I draw faintly like that. So wherever it touches this line, I project it vertically like that, which is this, somewhere like this, vertically like that. So with that settled and done, I can thicken this all the way like this, right? Absolutely correct. Okay, settled like that. Then this connected like this and like this. All right, so yeah, what else? I think that's okay. This top, boss of diameter 10 and diameter 5. Diameter 10, that will be radius 5. Okay, from here, 5 left, 5 right, diameter 5, that's 2.5. That's going to be very small. Yeah, I won't be showing this on the plan, right? That's very small, very small, very small. So I'm going to project it vertically. Okay, yeah. So with my ruler, I'm going to make this all through there. So this one is going to be bold like this. This one is going to be bold like this. Bold, then close it up right here like this. Pian. Okay, yeah, that is how it ought to be. Right, so the inside here is erased. Okay, so I think that's how that area is ought to be. I will just do this section pian. That's all, that place. So I can do the sectioning later. Okay, I will do the sectioning of that area later. I will do the section later. So let me move to the plan ASAP. So mark of 10. I'm going to project this mark horizontally. First mark like this, second mark like this. All right, so from here, mark of 50, which is this. Other mark of 50, mark of 25, which is this. I'm going to project those two marks horizontally. First one, second one. Okay, and after doing that, what's next? Okay, so I think, okay, 10. So from with my ruler, from here I measure mark off from the midpoint, that mark 25, I measure 10 up, 10 bottom, like that. So I project them horizontally. And right here also. Okay, so I think we are getting somewhere. So with my compass, I pin it right here to this area right here like this. Then I draw this. Okay, from this area also I draw this, then still reduce it to the inner one. I draw this, then I draw this also. Okay, so radius 12, which means from here to here, if I'm not mistaken. Radius 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 10. Okay, measure the 12 on my ruler. Let me disturb myself unnecessarily. Okay, radius 12 measured. Coming right here, I draw. Okay, from here also, radius 12. Okay, I draw. Drawing those 2 points, I join them together like this. Okay, join them together right there. Then I zip this area up like this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, so joining those points, I project that also horizontally like this, chakam, and this also like this. Okay, projecting those 2 points horizontally, I think I can pick this up like this and just extend it directly all the way down there like that, and this also all the way not all the way, yeah, but I can close this right here like this, and this right here like this. Okay, so the thickness of our web is 6. So from here I measure 30 and 30 equals to 6. So I project those points horizontally. First mark, second mark. Alright, so then this comes all the way here like this, and this comes all the way here like this, and yeah, ending right here like this. So this goes here like that, and this goes here like this. Okay, so this goes all the way, then hidden. Yeah, likewise this goes all the way like this, but hidden right here, hidden right there. Okay, and this goes all the way hidden. Yeah, that's this hole on the inside, it is hidden. Okay, and this is the other side, hidden. Okay, now after those ones have been sorted, okay, our 2O on the inside, 10 and 5, diameter 10 and diameter 5, that's very, very small. I think I will be able to show the diameter 10. Okay, that's radius 5. Yeah, I don't have second template. I'll have drawn the radius 2.5 one, which is this. I think I tried my best. Yeah, I tried my best. So sitting right there, right? I tried. So that is the plan. Any other thing on the plan? No. I think that's all for the plan right there. So the next thing is our end view, and to get our end view with my ruler, from this junction I pick mark of 10 mm to the left, then another 10 mm, sorry, to the right and to the right, 10 and 10 making 20. So I'm going to project those mark vertically. Okay, like this and like this. All right, after doing that, I'm going to project this at 45 degree. Okay, from this point at 45 degree, from that point, like this. Okay, you see that? Then I'm going to start picking all these points. I'll project them vertically upward. Okay, upward vertically, starting from here, faintly, followed by the next one, 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 faintly, followed by this, faintly. I think that was all I need to be shown there. So from there I can now bring out my what? My end view. So we are sure of this, that this area is going to be like this, and this bottom going to be like this, while we are sure that this upper part is going to come from here to here. First of all, okay, that one is going to come from there to there. Okay, so and this area is also going to come like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, so this area will be projected like this, faintly, this area like this, this area like this, and this area like this. Okay, so whoosh. All right, and closing the spaces like that. Okay, so what else right here? So this place is going to be like this. And this place is also going to be like this. Okay, after this place has inserted, yeah, this place is going to be like this. Okay, like that. And okay, and this place is going to come right here like this. That's the web. Okay, and like this, that's the web right there. Okay, I'm going to project this because it will be hidden this point. So let me project them to here. 1, 2. So each of those points I'm projecting them vertically. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So with my ruler, okay, so I think the first mark there is this hidden line, okay, then followed by this hidden line like this, okay. Oh no, that's not it. Why am I making mistake this afternoon? I think maybe because I've been drawing ever since morning. Okay, let me just wrap this up and go and have a break. At least let me rest a little. This is going, instead of hidden, it is going to come up like that. And if it is coming up like that, so this area will be off. This area will be off because this place will be blocking it. So this area is going to be like this, okay, and this one is going to come and be hidden here. It will be hidden there. It will be hidden here. You get that? So this is going to be hidden from here to here. This is going to be hidden from here to here. Right? Yes, I think that's it. Hidden. Okay. So this one is going to carry a center line like this. And this one is going to carry a center line like that. So alright, so I'm making I make a lot of mistake here. Like seriously, I made a lot of mistake. So this one to reach that place. So I think I'm going to actually let me just find something to eat after this one. So this one is closing itself up right here, not other extreme end, right here, closing up right there. Okay, yeah, closing up right there. So it is now this guy here that is going to reach the up over there. This man here, 1 and 2. So that man there is going to reach up, okay, like this. So it's going to be bold right here, faintly. Then it's going to be bold right here also. Okay. Then this is going to zip it here. And I remember it's having diameter 5. That's radius 2.5. Radius 2.5. Okay. Here and here. So, and those two will be what? Will be hidden. Take note. It will be hidden all the way to this place. To be hidden all the way like this. PM. And this one too. PM. Okay. So this one here is also hidden all through like this. Take notes. And this one here also is hidden all through like this. Okay, so just going to carry center line all the way right there. So like that. All right, and this one too is going to carry center line like this. Okay, and this axis also. Okay, so now I'm going to shade this, not shade, draw and the section line at angle 45 degrees. Okay, section line rectangle 45 degrees. Take note of that. $45 I'm drawing. So I'm going to do that offline. So I'm going to draw this place out like this. This is a web. This inside is a web. So a web won't be shaded. I won't shade this web. Okay. So I think there is a radius of 8 connecting this web. Somewhere here like this, a radius of 8. So let me figure out that a radius of 8. Okay, to get that radius of 8, I'm going to apply principle of tangency here. Principle of tangency for that radius of 8. Okay, so this radius of 8 is lying on this bigger circle of diameter 30. That's radius 15. So 15 plus 8 is 23. So with radius 23, from this midpoint I strike and act like this. Take note of that. Okay, now I'm going to pick, so radius of an arc on a straight line is what? 8. So I'm going to use 8 like this. Mark 8. So wherever 8 stops, I'm going to draw that horizontally. I apply principle of tangency right there, and I have my intersection. So from that intersection with radius 8, which is this, with radius 8, which is this right here. Okay, am I making a mistake? Okay, with radius 8 from here, I draw. You see that perfectly. So principle of tangency, sweet like sweet mushroom sauce. It actually build me out in that area. Then I can continue with my with my section line. Okay, and that is the sectioned part of that, as you can see. And that brings us to the end of this particular problem. Clean like maclean, fresh like fresh you. Okay, sweet like what? Sweet mushroom sauce. Okay, and that is it. Okay, so that is the end of this tutorial class. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer to your friends who might be in need of it. Once again, my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Thank you.